Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove border PNG image in Photoshop. So let's started. At first, open your Photoshop document. Now you can see remove border PNG image. Now I show the border in the PNG image. Now remove PNG image. Now you can see then I'm going to the layer option. Now click from mouse right button. Now you can see now select from blending option. Now click. Now you can see then I show the new interface and remove that stroke in the tick mark. That it's now click OK. That it's. Then again remove the border. Now going to the now click from same process. Now remove the stroke tick mark. Now click OK. That it's. Now you can see remove border PNG image in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment.